Pero ba kayo, no? Pwede po.
Regular ba?
Sabay panood din talaga ako. Bakong gaya lang?
Billions of years ago, when God gave us two priceless gifts, life and earth. They are intimate. Life to be the stewards of earth, and earth to serve as the home of all life forms. This is a mere fact, but today, earth is facing its greatest menace. Our home? Our Mother Nature is suffering continuous degradation. It is humans' fickle mind, selfish motives, and neglection that cause these threats to etch in the face of Mother Earth. And by these hands, I shall paint Mother Earth the way I see it and the way I want it to become. I may not be a good painter, but this is my dream. To bring back the earth that has existed billions of years ago. Mother Earth, nature, paradise. Thank you.